Licorice and Imano, I'm not really close to them. I don't know. So I can't really, I don't know. Maybe their sincere feeling would be shock. I bet they were shocked. But not so much because the way I left Biggie was very, very strange. It was just 5 of us left. It was Lico, Emmanuel, Cross, Whitemoney, and I. So I don't think that they were that shocked because it's like, this babe was just top 5. So what now happened? So maybe they were shocked, but at the same time, they're like, fair enough, because her exit was very, very strange. So, Cross, I think Cross was really, really happy that I came back. I mean, I don't know what happened in the house after I left, in quotes, but from the way he hugged me, I could tell that he was happy. So, yeah, I think Pere was with me, so we were both happy to be back. I don't know, for some reason, I don't think Whitemoney is, I don't think he's happy that I'm here. And I don't blame me, to be honest, because, if it was me that dusted 5 people during evictions, Biggie, I'll be walking around like the winner. Even if I don't win, I won. You know what it means to dust 5 people and they all go home. So I don't think he was happy to see me and Pere because, he was laughing and smiling. But Biggie, where he kept us, could hear some things and his voice was very, very loud, Biggie, for a very long time. And then when we came back, I don't know what happened. His volume just returned and little bit. I think it's like, oh fuck, more competition. So for White, I don't know. I don't think he wanted us to come back. I think he had just already made peace that we had gone. Thank God.